Save on high-speed train tickets with HopeGoo. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book trains with HopeGoo. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link to the website in the description below, so make sure you check that out as well. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply when you are booking yourself a train to save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here you have all these options. You have flight options, hotel options, and you even have train options as well. So here just simply click on the train button, and here you can go ahead from to and then add your date, and then you can hit the search button as well. You also have the option to high speed train only, enable that. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go from Hong Kong to Shenzhen. Yeah, let's go with that, and then click on search. It's gonna go ahead and search for all the trains that are available. So here you go. These are all the rides that are available. So we've got this one right here. This is first class, this is standing, this is second class. You got business class, second class, first class, second class. All of them are available over here. You can book whichever train you want for this date, right? It's as simple as that. So then you just simply hit the book button, and then here you just add the passengers, their contact, and then scroll down below. You have your promo codes right here. So here, once you fill this form out, you have the promo codes that you can add. And there you go. That's how you can save a bunch of money on your trains as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.